some clothes, okay, and paid $10 million for 6 hours. 6 hours. And in these 6 hours, they stole nearly $150 million. So they spent $10 million to buy electricity, in fact, to buy CPUs and GPUs from a cloud, and in 6 hours, they could stole $150 million Ethereum. But today it's very hard because the network of Ethereum and the network of Bitcoin is now very, very big, and it needs a very large amount of electricity to get the control of the network. In the next lectures, I will talk about these threats. I will talk about these attacks. But now let's concentrate on mining and adding blocks on the blockchain. So we need another lecture to finish the mining process, to finish the how block is created. What I must explain you what information are inside the block. As you know, each block contains some transactions. Okay. There are other information beside transactions. For example, there is a Merkle tree, there is a timestamp, and the description of the previous block, and some other information that I will explain in the next lecture. Yes, do you have any question, Ahmed? Okay, and that's it. Tomorrow I will send you the slides and the Python code. Please remember me if I forget. Yes, tomorrow in the morning I will send the slides and the code, so you can run the code, and I will give you an exercise. It's a very simple exercise. Just give me a table with two columns. The first column, a hash output of my program, and in the second column, the nouns. And tell me, with your computer, with your laptop, with your PC, what's the biggest number of zeros which you could find? Consider a time limit for this. For example, 1 hour. Say me, in 1 hour, the biggest number of zeros I could find by my computer was, for example, I don't know, 5 zeros, 6 zeros, and give me the nouns and the hash output, so I can simply check that it's okay or not. I can't give you the transaction code because it's not mine, okay? And you don't need the transaction code. That's part of the Zim coin. Also, in the next week, as I said, we have an exam. Just the grade is just 2 marks from 20, 10%, okay? And from the beginning, 4 or 5 questions from the beginning and to the end of transaction verification before starting Merkle trees. Okay, I want you all be familiar with the questions and be ready for the next month examinations. So in next week, so Tuesday, we will have an exam, 4 or 5 simple questions and very simple questions from all the topics that I discussed in the class. So see you in next lectures and thank you all. Yes, exam on Tuesday at 7 p.m. Okay, I will announce it into the group 1 or 2 days before, don't worry.